Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import LUTs or lookup tables into the Blackmagic Camera app for the iPhone. And what Blackmagic basically did were taking their great menu system on their cameras, the pocket cameras or the Ursas, and putting that into an iPhone. And to use a LUT or lookup table is an easy way to make sure you have the right exposure and stuff like that. But by default, there is only one LUT preset in here. And in this video, I'll show you how to go into DaVinci Resolve and create your own LUT and how to get it into the smartphone or the iPhone. So without further ado, let's just jump right into DaVinci Resolve. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I did do a quick shot here of a product with the iPhone, and then I just did a quick little grade, a transform into Rec 709, and then some basic corrections. And if I want to export this LUT out, all I have to do is to go on my clip, right-click on my mouse, and then go to Create LUT. So Blackmagic cameras can only read the 17-point cube or the 33-point cube. So I'm going to save this out as a 33-point cube. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to save that onto the desktop, and then I can simply airdrop that to my smartphone. And then I just open up the airdrop, and I'm just going to save it into the camera app itself, into the LUTs folder. So when I boot up my phone and I go into the phone, as you see right here, I can then just jump into the settings, and then I can scroll all the way down here to the LUT settings, which are right here, and then I can just push the display LUT on, and here I can select my LUT, and because I saved this into the LUTs folder, I can simply just click my LUT Rec 709 here, and I can go back, and when I go back to the camera, it's now displaying my LUT, and I can create the correct exposure for that shot. Also, if you want to import the LUT in another way, you can download a LUT or something like that from the net. You could go into the settings and into the LUT settings again, and just going to the select LUT settings, and of course you could push the import button, and then you could just go to the place where you downloaded the LUT and import that in that way as well. Anyway, I do hope this little video helped you out. If it did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it would help them out, and if you want to be notified every time there's a new video on this channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.